Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Unit 8, lesson number 5 and 6. And this is your CW class. You won't be given any homework for today's class. So let's start our class. At first, look at the board. This is the class for the students of class 5, and your subject, today's subject is English. Topic Unit 8, lesson 5 to 6. And this is your CW class, term half yearly. Lecture number 10. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 10, and HW, there is no HW, so I put a cross here. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, this is my name and mobile number 01735 852285, and this is my messenger ID Mahmudur Rahman Soil. So dear students, let's start. Unit 8, lesson 5 and 6. There is a lesson. In this unit, you can see that there are 4 boys and girls in the picture, and all of them are ill, physically ill. They are suffering from physical illness. And here in the box there is a letter. Seema writes her friend Jessica about her physical condition in this letter. At first we will learn what type of illness they are suffering from. In the first picture, you can see that there is a boy, and you can see in the picture that he is putting a tissue on his nose because he is suffering from runny nose. He is suffering from cold. In the second picture, there is a girl, and she is suffering from headache. For this reason, she has hold her head with her hands. In the third picture, there is a boy who is suffering from stomach ache, and in the fourth picture, there is a girl who is feeling chills. Now we will read the letter that Seema wrote to her friend Jessica. Now at first, look at the top of the letter, and right side there is the address 102 Khadim Nagar, Katwali, Sylhet, Bangladesh, 12th March 2021. This is the address of Seema. Now she is writing to Jessica. Dear Jessica, how are you? How was your trip back to London? I'm here at home today. I have the flu. It's awful. I'm coughing a lot and I have a runny nose. I'm using a lot of tissues. I also have a bad headache. I can't eat very much because I have a stomach ache, but my doctor says I should eat. I also have a fever. Sometimes I'm very warm. Then I get cold and have chills. It's very strange. I want to go to school again soon. My friends can't visit me here because they can get ill easily. I hope you are fine. Write to me soon. Your friend Seema. So from this letter, we have learned that Seema is suffering from all these 4 kinds of physical illness that are mentioned above in the top of the lesson. She is suffering from runny nose, she is suffering from headache, she has a stomach ache, and when he gets fever and feels warm in her body, she also gets chills. Now there are some questions in the next page in your English for Today book at the page number 33, exercise number I. We will now solve these 4 questions. Now first question is, why is Seema using a lot of tissues? Answer is Seema is using a lot of tissues because she has a runny nose. Number 2, why can't Seema eat very much? The answer is Seema can't eat very much because she has a stomach ache. Number 3, does Seema's doctor want her to eat? Answer, yes, Seema's doctor wants her to eat. And the final question is, why can't Seema's friends visit her? Answer, Seema's friends can't visit her because they can get ill easily. So students, these questions are not for your homework, these are your CW work. You will read the questions and then write down the answers in your CW copy and practice at home. So my dear students, this is our discussion from Unit 8, Lesson 5 and 6. From this lesson, we can learn that when we have some physical illness like coughing, headache, stomach ache and chills, how do we feel? So I think that all of you have understood today's lesson very well. If you have any question or any difficulties while you are reading the lesson, contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID. So practice at your home and abide by your parents. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.